Rice is the lifeline of millions, a staple that nourishes families worldwide. But producing high-quality rice starts with efficient milling. This Infinity Rice Mill with Paddy Cleaner, a high-quality machine solution designed to deliver cleaner, purer, and superior rice. The impeller type Jet Air Friction Infinity Rice Mill can process up to 464 kilograms per hour with a minimum hulling efficiency of 88%. Unlike traditional milling methods, this innovative technology gently refines rice while minimizing breakage. The result? Perfectly milled rice with superior texture and taste. With a low-temperature milling method, the Infinity Rice Mill prevents grain overheating, preserving the nutrients and aroma of freshly milled rice. The new 2025 model rice mill, the LH-300M Infinity, boasts several key improvements that make milling more effective and user-friendly. The rice husk separator in the LH-300M Infinity is now larger than LH-5001M Gold. This enhancement improves husk separation, allowing for smoother operation and better efficiency in the milling process. The impeller is also larger than the previous version of rice mill. With a bigger impeller, the milling process becomes more powerful and effective, resulting in better grain output. To further enhance performance, the rice husk fan has also been upgraded in size. This allows for stronger air circulation, improving the removal of husks and making the process more efficient. One major improvement in the Infinity Rice Mill is the open-type assembly structure. Unlike the LH-5001M Gold, which has an enclosed design, this open-type structure makes repairs and replacements much easier, saving you time and effort. The fan cover has been increased in size, providing better protection while improving the overall airflow for a more stable operation. An exciting new feature of the LH-300M Infinity is the air control hole, a feature not found in the previous rice mill. This enhances airflow adjustment, giving you better control over the milling process for optimal results. If you're looking for a larger, more powerful, and highly efficient rice mill, the Infinity Rice Mill is the perfect choice. Upgrade today and embrace the future of milling. For more videos and actual demonstrations, follow us on social media and stay tuned.